Some of you may know, or you may not know, that I used to be a professional skateboarder. One of the top female skateboarders, actually. And then one day, I busted my knee on a vert ramp in Sweden. And then, years later, I started a ketogenic diet. Tonight, I'm going to talk about what ketones have done to that knee that was destroyed right now. Welcome everyone to my crazy humble life where I'm actually building my own house because people don't show up. But I'm very humbled. I digress. A lot of you may know or may not know that I used to skate professionally as a vertical, which means, if you have a ramp like this, half of a pipe, right? Yeah. I was skateboarding and there was a gap right there. They have this bar at the top called coping. It was metal. There was like an 1.5 inch gap, and I forgot about it. And I was doing 50-50 grind, and my truck's, the axle, got stuck in that little groove. And I was going so fast that I could not get my leg in. So my leg was caught up there, and I rotated. The body went one way, and the leg stayed. And it snapped at the knee. 10 surgeries later, my knee never got fixed until I started a ketogenic diet. That injury took me out. MCL, ACL, patella tendon, all this cartilage, gone. Just like that. I have bone-on-bone friction. I'm going to go more into this knee injury, not tonight because it is late. I just want to start the conversation about a ketogenic diet. Carnivore, great for the gut. Great for histamine intolerance and for inflammation, food sensitivities, fibromyalgia, aches, pains, but only for the short term. Long term, you start to develop hiccups. If y'all don't believe me, look at the comment section of my video as I go into the carnivore diet. But with that said, a ketogenic diet gives you the prebiotic fiber to make short chain fatty acids by the fermentation process, which spits out butyrate, which helps heal the gut. Carnivore does not have that ability to create butyrate to fix the gut through short chain fatty acids. Carnivore does not have that ability. I started the ketogenic diet almost 20 years ago, and I could barely walk. I had so much pain. It's taken me years to refine a ketogenic diet. Even myself as a guru, it's taken me a while to understand what my body needs as an individual to take the inflammation down, because I have bone-on-bone friction. But my knee, if you guys see me, or the people who know me, when I'm out with these horses 8 hours a day doing 20,000 steps, before I couldn't walk half a block without having extreme pain. But ever since getting into ketosis and doing it for years and cutting out the garbage food, my knee has been amazing. And I'm going to go more into this, but it's late. So follow me for more. Don't forget to share this content. Hit the notification bell. If you feel like you need help, you can go to stephanieperson.com to book a consultation. I also have a course group where I cover 3 diets, not just keto. And I'm out. Because clearly, this girl is turd. I'm not a turd. I'm brown. But I'm tired. But I still have energy. What the frack? Ketones forever. Peace. By the way, I've had this shoe sponsor for 2 years. I never promote them. Because if I'm going to promote a company, I have to believe in it. Which I do believe in this company. But then you have to put your heart and soul into it so you don't sound like a idiot scammer. It's a shoe company. Has nothing to do with supplements or keto products. I have a flat foot from knee injury, and I started to develop a little bit of that hammer. I cannot wear normal shoes. These shoes are so friggin' awesome. And to be honest, I can't wear them on my property because they'll get dirty in 2 seconds. So I can only wear them in the gym. But I made finally an ad for these shoes called Fitville. I don't even have a promotion code yet. I'll organize it. I don't know. You guys know me. I'm not a good businesswoman. But check this little quick thing. I made it today, like really quick, but check it out. Fitville shoes are the most comfortable, ergonomically designed shoes to give your toes space to move around. They come in different colors, shapes, and sizes for my active life. Between building houses, taking care of horses, skateboarding, I'm on my feet all day long, and with a severe knee injury, I need shoes that are going to support my feet and my knees.